Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Yeah.
What are you?
I'm practicing for audition.
Yeah?
Yeah.
When's that?
It's tomorrow.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, sing.
I'm gonna sing Rolling in the Deep by Adele.
Sing me here now.
Okay. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and sell me out, and I'll lay your shit.
Baby.
You like it?
Really and truly, that did shit, babes.
What?
Why you gonna sing that little dry up song for? I'm not gonna like that.
I thought you liked it.
No, babe, that no sound good. All mackerel could have sing something better than that.
Okay, so.
Babe, alright, here. You can't sing
so-
them look so dry up song, you know.
Okay.
I'm not gonna like that. A different style you have to come on, you know.
Okay, so what do you want me to
Yes,
say?
this is what I have to sing.
Remember when me take your virginity, first night at Ramping Shop. You ball out when me forced it in, as a ramping started stop. You still feel like a virgin, and you know sit down pon cock. You still ball when me forced it in, baby. Remember the first time, remember the first time to see her top. Pushing in a inch, bucking and stuck. You run off a cocky and you get a pain cut. Remember the two double up on your front. You tell me I'm a dog, I beat you with that. Today let me see you come back. You turn back, oh my, you come to take her, baby.
That is the one, baby.
Okay.
No, that shot, babes. Yeah. That's the one still. If them not hire for you for this, we don't know what them would babes that. Oh God, that beautiful babes. Oh God, that sounds so good.
Thank you. Okay. Oh shit.
Yes.
Wait. You come back, you run on.
Boku. Banana. Hey. I want that bad, babes. I want that bad. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Big shout out to Car Viorea here. So where can they find your music and whatnot?
You guys can find me. You can follow me on Instagram at Curl My Fries, and then I also have my YouTube channel, Car Viorea, aka Curl My Fries. And then you can find my music on my Instagram when I drop some stuff. It'll be in the link in my bio.
Yes, so thank you guys again for watching. Check out the previous videos. Go check her out, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let me know how you liked the beautiful melodic tones in this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.